So the problem here is find out the skew and skewness of uniform probability density function for a random variable x. Okay, skew and skewness of uniform probability density function for a random variable x. Okay, so for this, how do you find out skew? Skew can be find out by using this equation, that is mu3 is equal to x cube bar minus 3x bar sigma x square minus x bar cube. Okay, to solve this, what are the things we require? We require the mean value, that is x bar. What is x bar? Is the mean value. And we also require the variance. What is the variance here? Sigma x. Okay, so in the previous examples we have already solved what is the mean value and variance value of uniformly distributed random variable. Okay, so the mean value of uniformly distributed random variable is x bar is equal to a plus b by 2, and variance is given as sigma x square is equal to a minus b square by 12. Okay, so this we have already solved in the previous examples, and just now we obtained what is the what is the equation for skewness. Skew is given by the formula mu 3 is equal to x cube bar minus 3x bar sigma x square minus x bar cube. Okay, now first step is we have to find out what is x cube bar. X cube bar. Okay, so that is the, what is that? The expectation. What is x cube bar? X cube bar is nothing but expectation of x cube. It is called expectation of x cube. Okay, so that is now called x cube bar. Okay, now what is the formula for expectation of x cube? It is integral minus infinity to plus infinity x cube fx of x dx. Okay, so this is the formula to find out x cube bar. Okay, so from this 1 by b minus a, and we know that what is the probability density function of uniform random variable. So fx of x is equal to 1 by b minus a, where x value is between b and a. Okay, so it is x value is varying between a and b. Okay, so this is the x range. So this is the probability density function for uniform random variable. Okay. Now what is that we do? In the place of fx of x, we substitute 1 by b minus a. So it is 1 by b minus a integral a to b x cube dx, x cube dx. Okay. So it is 1 by, what is x cube? X cube can be written as x power 4 by 4. Okay, now what is the range? Yeah, the range is a to b. Now if you substitute the limits, what is that we'll be getting? We'll be getting b power for 4 minus a power 4 divided by 4 into b minus a. This is the relation we get for x cube bar. What is x cube bar? It is b power 4 minus a power 4 divided by 4 into b minus a. Okay, that is x cube bar. Okay, so after finding x cube bar, what is skewness? What is the relation for skewness? It is mu 3 is equal to x cube bar minus 3x bar sigma x square minus x bar cube. So just now we have found what is x cube bar. X cube bar is, uh, what is x cube bar? B power 4 minus a power 4 by 4 into b minus a minus 3. What is x bar? In the previous problems we have solved, and from previous problems we have observed that x bar is a plus b by 2. And what is sigma x square? Sigma x square is nothing but a, a minus b square by 12. Okay, and x bar we have already discussed, it is a plus b by 2 whole cube. Okay, now we substituted all this, and if you simplify this, see that simplify this, see we have to simplify this. So if you simplify this, so if you observe all the terms, we have observed that a plus b by 8 is common in all the terms. Okay, then whatever the terms we are getting here is, we are writing here, it is 2 times b square plus 2a square